तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां।
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 जय गणेश जय गणेश जय 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 गणेश रक्ष मां।
लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि 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 मां।
मंगलकर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष 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 मां।
जय गणेश जय गणेश 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 जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि मां।
लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि मां।
मंगलकर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
मंगलकर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश जय गणेश 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 जय गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा।
जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा।
जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा।
जय जय हे कैलासवासा
जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा
जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा
जय 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 शिव साई महेशा
जय 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 शिव साई महेशा
जय 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 शिव साई महेशा
जय जय शिव साई महेशा
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय 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 हे अनाथनाथ
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 जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा
जय हे जगदीश महेशा
जय जय हे कैलासवासा
जय जय हे कैलासवासा
जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा
जगदीश महेशा
जय 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 शिव साई महेशा
जय जय शिव साई महेशा
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय हे शंभो साईनाथ
जय 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 हे अनाथनाथ
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 जय जय हे जगदीश महेशा करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा
प्रेम स्वरूपा
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा
प्रेम स्वरूपा
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन शाप विमोचन
करुणासागर प्रेम स्वरूपा प्रेम स्वरूपा शाप विमोचन शाप विमोचन दुख भंजन श्री राम दुख भंजन श्री राम अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम नानक ईशु तेरे नाम नानक ईशु तेरे नाम वर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दया घन वर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दया घन दुख भंजन श्री राम दुख भंजन श्री राम दुख भंजन साई राम दुख भंजन साई राम करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा
प्रेममयी साई माँ ज्ञानमयी साई माँ
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 जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ
जय माँ जय माँ
जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ शिव शक्ति रूपिणी साई माँ मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ
शक्ति रूपिणी साई माँ मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ
शिव शक्ति रूपिणी साई माँ मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ
शक्ति रूपिणी साई माँ मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माँ
जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ प्रेममयी साई माँ ज्ञानमयी साई माँ प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
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 बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु राम।
हे रघुपति राघव राम।
हे रघुपति राघव राम।
हे रघुपति राघव राम।
हे रघुपति राघव राम।
पतित पावन राम।
पतित पावन राम।
पतित पावन राम।
पतित पावन राम।
बोलो राम साईं 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 राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
बोलो राम साईं राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साईं राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मधुर मनोहर राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
मोहन मूरत राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु राम।
हे करुणा सिंधु
राम साई राम। बोलो राम साई राम।
बोलो राम साई राम।
बोलो राम साई राम।
बोलो राम साई राम।
प्रेम से बोलो एक बार साई राम। भव सागर से पार उतारो।
सागर से पार उतारो।
भव सागर से पार उतारो।
सागर से पार उतारो।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
भव सागर से पार उतारो।
सागर से पार उतारो।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
सब नामों की एक है महिमा।
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 सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
भव सागर से पार उतारो।
सागर से पार उतारो।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
भव सागर से पार उतारो।
सागर से पार उतारो।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर।
सब नामों की एक है महिमा।
सब नामों की एक है महिमा।
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान।
साईनाथ भगवान। से पार उतारो। ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
परतीपुरी के तुम हो दाता,
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 वृंदावन 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 के तुम हो दाता।
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता,
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता,
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता,
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता।
पार उतारो नैया मोरी,
पार उतारो नैया मोरी,
पार उतारो नैया मोरी,
पार उतारो नैया मोरी।
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
परतीपुरी के तुम हो दाता,
परतीपुरी के तुम हो दाता,
वृंदावन के तुम हो दाता,
वृंदावन के तुम हो दाता।
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता,
सब भक्तों के मन को भाता।
पार उतारो नैया मोरी,
पार उतारो नैया मोरी।
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा,
साई घन श्यामा, साई घन श्यामा।
ओ भगवान, ओ भगवान, अर्ज सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान।
जय जय जननी साई जननी अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय
జై జననీ సాయి జననీ అంబే భవానీ మా
जय जय जननी साई जननी अम्बे भवानी माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
సాయి భవానీ మా
साई भवानी माँ
సత్య సాయి భవానీ మా
सत्य साई भवानी माँ
సింహవాహిని త్రిశూలధారిణి అంబె భవానీ మా
सिंहवाहिनी त्रिशूलधारिणी अम्बे भवानी माँ
సింహవాహిని త్రిశూలధారిణి అంబె భవానీ మా
सिंहवाहिनी त्रिशूलधारिणी अम्बे भवानी माँ
జై జై జననీ సాయి జననీ పర్తి నివాసిని మా
जय जय जननी साई जननी पति निवासिनी माँ
జై జై జననీ సాయి జననీ పర్తి నివాసిని మా
जय जय जननी साई जननी पति निवासिनी माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
సాయి భవానీ మా
साई भवानी माँ
సత్య సాయి భవానీ మా
सत्य साई भवानी माँ
జై జై జననీ సాయి జననీ అంబే భవానీ మా
जय जय जननी साई जननी अम्बे भवानी माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
సాయి భవానీ మా
साई भवानी माँ
సింహవాహిని త్రిశూలధారిణి అంబె భవానీ మా
सिंहवाहिनी त्रिशूलधारिणी अम्बे भवानी माँ
జై జై జననీ సాయి జననీ పర్తి నివాసిని మా
जय जय जननी साई जननी पति निवासिनी माँ
జయ మా జయ మా
जय माँ जय माँ
సాయి భవానీ మా
साई भवानी माँ
సత్య సాయి భవానీ మా
सत्य साई भवानी माँ
జై జై జననీ సాయి జననీ అంబే భవానీ మా
శివ 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 శివయ్యన రాధా నీ చింతలెల్ల బాపి కొన మనరా శివ 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 అనరాగా నీ చింతలెల్ల బాపికొని శివమెత్తి జగమంత తిరిగేరు ఓ చిత్తమా నీకెంత సిగ్గులేదు
జగమంతరిగేవు ఓ చిత్తమానేకెంత సిగ్గులేదే
అవని సుఖంబుల అల్లాడెడు నీకు ఆవలికి కలిగేది అది
అవని సుఖంబుల అల్లాడెని ఆవలికి మిగిలేది అది ఏది
పొద్దు ఒక ఊరి వారి చుట్టులంటే మీరు సిద్ధమౌదురే కడు శ్రద్ధతోడా
ఒక ఊరు వారి చుట్టులన్నా మీరు సిద్ధమౌదురే కడు శ్రద్ధతోడా
ముద్దు ముద్దుగాను భగవత్ పుచ్చటాలు చెప్పు వెళ్ళ వదికగా నిండరేల ఓ చెవులా
ముద్దుగాను సాయి ముచ్చటలు చెప్పునప్పుడు బుద్ధికగా నుండరేవో చెవులారా
సినిమాలు సినిమాలు పలుమారు మీరు చని చని కనియులు తల్లి
సినిమాలు పలుమారు చని చని కని నన్ను తనివిలే
క్షణమును దైవ సన్నిధి నిలువగా కనులారా కడు కష్టమతే
క్షణమును దైవ సన్నిధి నిలువగా కనులారా మీకు కడు కష్టం
శివ శివ శివ
శివ శివ శివ శివ ఎనరారా శివ 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 ఎనరారా శివ 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 ఎనరారా
శివ 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 శివయన రాధా ఈ చింతలెల్ల బాపికొన
Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to another episode of OMS, Oh My Sai. At the end of my completion of Masters, I was wondering what I'm going to do in my life. My parents, especially my father, was extremely concerned because my brother was always a gold medal winner in every stage of his life. And here is me, who just barely passed all the required exams in my life. But when I came to Satya Sai Institute, Swami had taken a lot of initiative for me to do better in my life, in my education. And so, at the end of my masters, Swami gave an interview to my parents and myself. At that time, he asked, S. Kumar ki MSc అయిపోతోంది ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? Meaning he is going to complete, Kumar is going to complete MSc. What do you want him to do further? Then Swami said, MRS చేసేద్దామా? MRS meaning I was also, అదేరా నీకు పెళ్లి చేసేద్దాం. So when Swami spoke like that, the translation of that is, Kumar is completing MSc. I will give him MRS, which means Mrs. He said, I'll get you married. Dunnapota, I'll get you married. So, and he said, when he said that, my parents were wondering and they were getting a shock. At that time, Swami said, no, I was just joking. Ukke cheppanu. Kumarki nenu PhD seat ma institute lo ippistanu. I will take care of him. Nenu చూసుకుంటాను. ప్రతిసారి ఏమేం చేయాలో వాడికి అన్నీ నేను చూసుకుంటాను. Which means, he said, I will give him an MS, the PhD seat in our institute, and I will take care of him at every stage of his life. My father was so relieved because he was always wondering what I am going to do in my life. And Swami is telling PhD, and PhD is a degree which nobody in our family has done earlier before this. And so I was so happy to hear that word. So in that context, the whole exam is going to be done because this is towards the end of my MSc, and there are some prerequisites in our institute to qualify for a PhD program. And there is something called cumulative grade point average. And unless I would get a grade of 4.75 in the last semester, I could not even qualify for a PhD program at that point in time. So I was working very hard towards the end of my MSc, and so much so I really got 4.75 in the class, and and then I knew that there is a chance of me getting into PhD program. So that gave me a lot of confidence. Purely because of Swami's grace, I was able to get 4.75. And now when I go back home, here is the dilemma coming into play. So when I went back home, the entire family is sitting and discussing as to what I am going to do further. My brother says, Kumar, PhD is indefinite course. You do not know when you're going to complete. It may take 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. We do not know how long you'll be doing it. Instead, at that time, towards the end of the summer vacation, there was an announcement that there will be an MBA program in the institute. So immediately my brother said, when I was on the vacation, Kumar, don't do PhD, please do MBA, because you'll be done in 2 years and you will be a professional and you can go into a particular job which will take care of you well. No. I said, Anna, brother, Swami told me to do PhD program. That is true. But Swami only is bringing MBA program in his own institute. There's nothing wrong if you can apply. So at least apply for my sake. This is the exact word he used to say. At least apply for MBA program for my sake. So when I came back, I was sitting in the Mandir veranda and I wrote, Swami, per your directions, I will do PhD. But by any chance, because of the new program coming up, MBA, if you want me to apply for it, I will apply for it. Please, please give me the guidance. So I kept giving letter one after another. Please give me an indication. Please talk to me whether I need to really choose MBA. Because on the other, because at that time, my brother was the breadwinner of the family. And Swami has already told he'll give me PhD. So how do I decide? Because we are only 20 plus and we are not mature enough to decide how to prioritize to ask Swami. So I kept giving letters to Swami and Swami kept taking it but not giving me any answer. And there is a cutoff date before which you have to give the application form. I did not give because Swami did not tell me anything. For me, by default, it is PhD program. So on that day where people have already applied for it and the entrance exam dates have been announced, entrance exam has started. That morning, all the boys who were sitting in the Bhajan hall have gone for the entrance exam. And myself and some other set of boys who are not applied for MBA program were sitting in the mandir singing bhajans on the morning bhajan. So I said, Swami, since you did not give me a direction of going towards MBA, I will do PhD. And then Swami takes Aarti on that 9:30 a.m. in the morning. He goes inside. He normally has brunch at that time. And then he completed his brunch. And normally he retires or he goes out for, some kind of, activity which he has to supervise or anything like that. See, that's what normally Swami would do. On that particular morning, he went inside, finished his brunch possibly, and came out asking, where is Radha Kumar? Because I had acted as Radha in that previous drama, Swami wanted to qualify which Kumar he is calling. And so, where is Radha Kumar? I just ran in. I was waiting in the portico. I ran towards Swami. Swami is asking me at that point in time, Ayyo, you MBA exam ki vellaleda? MBA entrance exam ki vellaleda? did you not go for MBA entrance exam? I said in my mind, Swami, if you had told me that I have to apply for it, I would have applied for it. I did not apply because you had already told me to do PhD. Entrance exam poleda, yo papam, he said. Then immediately he lifted his robe and told me to take Pada Namaskar. For no reason. He just came out, asked, where is Radha Kumar? Didn't you go for entrance exam? And then he lifts his robe, asking me to take Pada Namaskar. I said, I took Pada Namaskar. It has got no, if you really see, normally whenever we have some link, Swami will just say, okay, he has done something like this. For an event like this, if he gave me Pada Namaskar, I was wondering what that is. And then I took Pada Namaskar, he went inside. At that minute, it dawned on me, saying that I had stuck on to what Swami said earlier. And he wanted to come back and reflect my mind of dilemma right in his dialogue. He's saying, oh, did he not go for... So I think Swami sometimes reflects exactly what we are going through in confusion. He reflects like a mirror. And at that point in time, if we can tell him, Swami, I did not. Swami had told me to do PhD. Then Swami says, take Namaskar. So basically, if we can stick on to what Swami had said, to what we have to do, that will resolve every doubt at some point in time, because I have no regrets afterwards, because I stuck on to Swami's words. And Swami demonstrated to me within those few minutes. He just came out asking only for me and then giving me this dialogue and giving me Pada Namaskar. I felt so blessed. How blessed can we be to really make the avatar move from that room to come out just to talk to you for a topic which is going on in your mind, and resolved that morning. Thanks to Swami for every moment that when we are clear, also he supports us. When we are confused, he reflects exactly what we are going through. And then in the process, if we can stick on to what he has told us to do, we will always achieve clarity for our entire life, and there's no more dilemma in our life. That was an oh my Sai moment for me.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपकान्ध जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अंतयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अंतयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा